Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the passcode on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to customize the passcode and set a new one, we need to go to the settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and Passcode, enter your current passcode. And after that, if you scroll down, you should be able to find Change Passcode. If you press on it, then first you will need to enter the current passcode and then enter the new passcode. You can also press on passcode options over here in order to choose, for instance, 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code. You can also use custom numeric code and custom alphanumeric code. So if you choose this one, then you have a full password with letters as well. And let me actually once again go through this. And let's say I'm gonna choose 4-digit code. And of course, if you use an easy passcode, then you will be notified about this. So you can once again press change passcode in order to use a harder passcode, or you can press use anyway. And then once again enter the same passcode that you just entered, the new one. And after that, it should be done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!